Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. The good people at YHE sent me the BP Doctor Pro blood pressure smartwatch. As you can see, it's already been opened. I opened it yesterday and I wore it for the entire day and tested it out around 10 times. I tested it against a blood pressure monitor that I have of my own and it matched up pretty well. So straight away I can tell you it is quite accurate. The unique feature of this watch is just that. It's the patented aircuff with built-in micro pump that takes blood pressure readings. Of course, that's not all this watch can do. It can monitor heart rate, blood oxygen levels, heart rate variability, sleep quality, and it's equipped with features like alarm, schedule, notifications. It can fit wrists sized 13.5 centimeters to 22 centimeters. The watch weighs around 80 grams and the dimensions are 54mm by 38mm by 12mm. It is IP22 water resistant, so it can handle light splashes, but you can't use it in the shower or even in heavy rain, things like that. You should definitely make sure it's dry before you take blood pressure readings. This cost $199 on the website, which I'll link to in the description. Delivery worldwide is free. Delivery times will depend on where you live, but if you live in the USA you can expect it to arrive in 3 to 6 days. Make sure you follow the instructions, otherwise it won't work as intended. And this watch is not a medical device, so all the data it provides should only be used for reference and not as a basis for diagnosis and treatment. Now, they did send me 2 of these, one for me to test out and one to give away, so I am going to be giving this away in a separate video. The watch itself, as you can see, there's a tough AMOLED screen. We have the on button here and we have a home button here, and then we have the touch screen itself. In the box you'll find the watch itself, some diameter tape, a charging dock, charging wire, and a couple of manuals. One's a quick start manual, and the other one's more in depth. This is more if you want to just get on with taking your blood pressure. It came nicely packaged, and as you can see there, this is where there was a sticker on each side, and when you peel this off you're left with a void mark. This is so you know that it's not been previously opened. This is the quick start manual. That's what's in the box. Now, to start, you'll scan that using your mobile phone and it will take you to your store, whether it be Google or Apple, where you can download the app. Then you'll register on the app using your email and password, and then it'll automatically search for the device on your phone. Very simple to do. Excuse me. And then on the other side, a few bits and bats of instructions. The tape you'll put around your wrist, which will give you a number. So you'll put it two fingers away from your palm. You'll put this around your wrist, and eventually you'll reach a number, and then you will count up and then add 2 to take blood pressure. When you're not taking readings, you can ease it off a couple just so it's more comfortable, but when you're taking a reading you'll go up 2 notches and then take the reading. So I'm going to make a few separate videos showing you how to do this, just so this video is not dead long, but just for now I'll just quickly take a reading. We'll go to the home, just swap across once, press start, and it'll take the reading. And I can feel it inflating on my arm. It's not becoming overly tight. When you visit the doctor and the doctor does this, usually it feels quite tight on your arm, but this doesn't. It'll just take a minute. It'll reach around 180 and then give you a reading. Just trying to keep still. I've had 2 cans of energy drink today, so it could be a little bit high. Yeah, 120/80, and I know that's accurate because that's in line with the blood pressure monitor that I've of my own. So yeah, the next video will be in the description. I'll post a link there with loads of other information and a link to the website so you can see more detailed information and specifications. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.